Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." Hey, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you're going to be working for the rest of your life. So here are 3 ways you can earn compound interest and have your money work for you. Number 1, if you're looking for the safe option, go with an index fund. You get an average of around 5 to 10% yearly, and you don't really have to worry too much about the market's movements. Number 2 are ETFs, or exchange traded funds. ETFs are getting more popular by the day because investors want to diversify their investments, but they just don't want to do it on their own. When you buy an ETF, you put your money alongside other investors, and the ETF fund manager then invests it in different securities, allowing you to capitalize on growth and also minimizing your risk. And at number 3 is my all-time favorite, and that's real estate. Holding on to a good piece of real estate for a long period of time is still the number 1 way to build wealth in America. Remember, building wealth is a long-term plan, and if you're not sure where to start, I would suggest speaking with a local financial planner. And if you don't have a local financial planner, please DM me. I'd be more than happy to give you several names of local financial planners that I have vetted and that would do a fantastic job for you. Well, I hope you liked this video. Please like and follow, and I will see you in my next video.